हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इस वीडियो में मैनेजमेंट ऑफ नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज इस चैप्टर की कंप्लीट सॉल्यूशन तुम लोग को मिल जाएगा. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो. क्वेश्चन 1. व्हाट चेंजेस कैन यू मेक इन योर हैबिट्स टू बिकम मोर एनवायरमेंट फ्रेंडली? एनवायरमेंट फ्रेंडली होने के लिए डे टू डे लाइफ में तुम्हें क्या करना होगा? टर्निंग ऑफ एनी इलेक्ट्रिकल अप्लायंसेस व्हेन दे आर नॉट इन यूज. Avoiding the wastage of water by fixing any leaking taps or pipes as soon as possible. Disposing of plastic and glass waste in recycling bins. Using recyclable and eco-friendly products instead of convenient plastic products. Next question. What would be the advantages of exploiting resources with short-term aims? The exploitation of resources with short-term aims means to the utilization of resources to meet immediate and current basic needs. Advantages of exploiting resources with short-term aims. Number 1. Rapid industrial growth. Number 2. Addressing and fulfilling the immediate requirement of the population. 3. Compared to the long-term goals, gains are greater. Number 4. Agricultural development. Next question. How would these advantages differ from the advantages of using a long-term perspective in managing our resources? The long-term model of resource will enable the economy to grow over a longer time frame. It also provides more time for technology to advance and discover new sustainable energy sources. All in all, the long-term perspective in managing resources has significantly greater advantages when compared to the short-term perspective. Why do you think that there should be an equitable distribution of resources? What forces would be working against an equitable distribution of our resources? Equitable distribution of resources enables every human to receive their share of the resources and makes sure that everyone has the basic requirement for life. The forces that work against equitable distribution include: Number 1. The regional distribution of resources. Number 2. Corruption and greed of some humans. Number 3. Uneven distribution of resources between the rich and the poor. Next question. Why should we conserve forest and wildlife? The conservation of forest is very important for the stability of the environment. Forests serve as a home to a huge variety of life forms. Also, forests protect the soil from erosion and play a vital role in the water cycle. इसीलिए फॉरेस्ट एंड वाइल्ड लाइफ इन दोनों को हमें कंजर्व करना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सजेस्ट सम अप्रोचेस टुवर्ड्स द कंजर्वेशन ऑफ फॉरेस्ट. इसका आंसर क्या होगा? सम स्टेप्स दैट कैन बी टेकन टू कंजर्व फॉरेस्ट इंक्लूड प्लांटिंग ऑफ ट्रीज टू कॉम्बैट डिफॉरेस्टेशन, अवॉइडिंग द कन्वर्जन ऑफ फॉरेस्ट लैंड इनटू रूट्स, बिल्डिंग्स एंड डैम्स. Next question. Find out about the traditional systems of water harvesting or management in your region. In populated metropolitan cities, the primary sources of water include groundwater and lakes. Groundwater is harvested with the help of bore wells, whereas pipes harvest water directly from the lakes. The harvested water is then stored in water tankers placed at strategic locations throughout the city. Next question. Compare the above system with the probable systems in hilly areas or plains regions. In hilly regions, rainwater is often collected and channeled with the help of a stream. The stream is diverted to different areas with the help of canals for the purpose of irrigation. In the plains, water is obtained from many natural sources, such as lakes and rivers. Groundwater is also harvested with the help of bore wells for irrigation and human consumption. Next question. Find out the source of water in your region or locality. Is water from this source available to all people living in that area? In metropolitan cities, the primary source of water is groundwater. This water is made available to all people in the city.